You're welcome to another episode on video. We are looking at standard unit of measuring weights, and from the first class, we looked at some problems. We're going to continue from where we stopped, and our focus is on grams and kilograms with word problems in addition and subtraction. Already we know that objects, they have weights, and we're going to be looking at some objects, their weights, and how we can add up weight and also do some problems in reducing or subtracting weights. So let's pay close attention to what we'll be doing now. But before then, let's quickly have a review of what we said in our last class. We did define weight as how heavy or light an object is. That means an object can be very heavy or it can be light. So whatever it is weight. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms, which is a generally accepted standard for measuring items. We said weights are measured in grams and in kilograms. So wherever you are, in any part of the world, this is a standard of measuring weight. So when you are asked, what is the standard unit of measuring weight? You say it is what? In grams and kilograms. And we did mention that 1,000 grams is equivalent or equal to 1 kilogram. And this can further be expressed as 1,000 G. The G is standing for grams, which is equal to 1 kg. The kg is standing for what? Kilogram. So quickly, let us look at this word problem and see how we'll be able to solve this. 3 tubers of yam weighs 5 kg, 300 grams, and bag of rice weighs 50 kg, 700 grams. What is the weight of the two items? That's the first item. 3 tubers of yam, they weigh 5 kg, 300 grams, while the bag of rice weighs 50 kg, 700 grams. Now, when we are adding, the first thing we will do, just like you write your tens and unit as headings, you are going to write in kilograms and grams. Kilogram is the bigger portion of the measures of weight. So write kg and give a space, and you write gram. Kg is for kilogram, G is for gram, and you separate them with what? A decimal point. Now let's take what we have here. We have under the tubers of yam, we have 5 kg. So I'm going to write 5 under kg, and I'll write, remember, I have the decimal point there, 300 under what? Grams. Now we are looking for the weight of these two items together. Call from PTA. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write 50 kg, which is the weight of the rice. 50 is going to be under kg because it is in kg. I'll put my decimal point, then 700 grams. 700 what? Grams. Okay? From a line, put my plus sign. This 0, you add up with this 0 to give you 0. Have another 0 here. Then 3 plus 7. Take count 1, 2, 3. Plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you count everything together, it's going to give you what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you going to write 10 here? No. Put down your 0, put your points, and place your 1 right on top of the 5. So 1 plus 5, let's see what that's going to give to us. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6. And of course, there is nothing before 5, so nothing plus 5 is going to give you what? 5. Now, what do you have? You have 5 kg. 5 what? Kg. Of course, 0 means nothing. So when you add up these two figures together, what you're going to have is 56 kg. So the weight of the 3 tubers of yam, in addition to the weight of the bag of rice, is what? 56 kg. So quickly, let's look at another problem here. A turkey weighs 30 kg and a chicken weighs 5 kg, 700 grams. What is the difference of their weights? Quickly, let's look at these. The turkey weighs, so first of all, we'll write the kg signs. Kg, decimal points, grams. So we have 13 kg rather, 13 kg for the turkey. Points, 0 kg, 0 grams rather. Then we have the chicken weighing
Incoming call from the PTA chairman. Incoming call from the
5 kg, 700 grams. So let me wipe that off. It's not too neat. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to minus. What is the difference? Difference means minus. Okay. So we all know that we cannot take 0 from 0. So we're going to have 0 here. 0 minus 0 is going to give us 0. And of course, we can't take 7 from 0. So what do? We'll come over to the kilograms and we are going to borrow 1 kg. So I borrow 1 from kilogram. I'm going to place it here. Here becomes 10. Automatically or technically, here becomes 1,000 grams. But however, I'm working with what? 10 grams minus 7. Remember, if I have borrowed 1 from here, this place is going to reduce to 2. So let's take note of that. That's the rule. So we have 10 grams minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we remove 7 from 10, we'll be left with what? 1, 2, 3. For my decimal points, here I have 2 minus 5. I can't take 5 from 2. So what do? I will have to borrow from this 1. So if I place this 1 here, here becomes 12. So I'm left with what? I now have 12 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll be left with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer would be what? 7 kg, 300 watts, grams. So the difference between the weight of the turkey and the chicken is 7 kg, 300 grams. So what it means is the turkey is 7 kg, 300 grams heavier than the chicken. So thanks for watching. I hope it is understood and we'll be able to take some problems and solve in kilograms and grams. Thanks for watching.